Now, biomedical sensor and measurements. My topic is biopotential actions. Biopotentials are electrical signals, that is voltages that are generated by physiological processes occurring within the body. Next, excitable cells types that contribute to biopotential generations are afferent, that is receptor or sensory neurons that transmit signals from tissues and organs to the central nervous system. Efferent, that is motor neurons that transmit signals from the central nervous system to effector cells. Interneurons that exists entirely within the central nervous system, including the brain. Interneurons convey signals between afferent neurons and afferent neurons. Next, however, these classifications are quite broad. Detailed examination of neuron types and subtypes in the entire nervous system has resulted in the identification of many other classes. An action potential is a transient change in electrical potential of the membrane surface of the neuron or afferent cell. This momentary change occurs when the cell is stimulated, resulting in the transmission of an electrical, that is nerve impulse through some part of the nervous system. The nervous system is a principal body communication system and consists of connected neurons that send electrical impulses between different parts of the body. The nervous system is comprised of the brain, spinal cord, and peri- peripheral nerves. Next, electrocardiography. This we can also say that ECG, electrocardiography, result in a graph of electrical activity of the heart, that is cardiac muscles as it changes over time. Cardiac muscles contracts in response to electrical depolarization of the heart muscle cell. The ECG is the measured sum over time of this electrical activity as it is recorded from electrode connections. Next, electromyography. This we can also say that EMG. EMG is the system of the electrical potential generated by activated motor units. The simplest motor unit is a single motor neuron connected to a single muscle fibers, but usually many fibers are innervated by one motor neuron. A muscle fiber is also referred to as a myocyte or muscle cells. When a motor unit activates the motor neuron impulse, that is action potential is transmitted to the muscle's fiber. The volume where the motor neuron connects to the muscle fiber is called neuromuscular junction, that is motor end plate. After the action potential is transmitted across the neuromuscular junction, a corresponding action potential is evoked in all the connected innervated muscles fibers. The- Thank you. I am Nitish Mishra from Mechanical Department.